Welcome back, viewers. Prajwal Revanna, the Hassan MP suspended by the JDS, who is accused of sexually exploiting and filming multiple women, is still seemingly cooling his heels in Germany, evading legal authorities. Former Prime Minister and Prajwal Revanna's grandfather, H.D. Devagowda, has issued a stern warning to his grandson, asking him to return from abroad and cooperate with the investigation into the sexual abuse allegations against him. However, Siddaramaiah has called it a token warning and held Devagowda responsible for Prajwal's escape. Listen in to the Chief Minister of Karnataka.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋರೇ ಅವರಲ್ವಾ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋರೇ ಅವರಲ್ವಾ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್
Mounting pressure on the centre to bring back Prajwal, Karnataka's Chief Minister said that he has written a second letter to Prime Minister Modi requesting for the cancellation of Prajwal's diplomatic passport to ensure justice for the victims.
ಎರಡನೇ ಪತ್ರ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ SITs ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ತಪ್ಪಿತಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ SIT ಅವರು ತಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Deepak joins us now. Deepak, how are people reading into H.D. Devagowda's stern letter, and how has this impacted the JDS family also?
Well, the entire case, of course, has brought in a lot of disrepute and damage politically to the Devagowda family. Right now, in terms of an impact, this letter makes probably no impact at all, because as far as the moot question here is concerned, that is, when is Prajwal Revanna either going to be brought back or when is he going to surrender? Whether this letter in any way, makes any sort of change to that scenario, that probably only time will tell. But this, at this point in time, feels like a desperate letter being written. One, of course, is to somewhere ensure that the tarnish or the damage that has been done to the family name somewhere is, it helps in some sort of a way. But the question that many people are asking is, instead of writing a letter or a warning to Prajwal Revanna, can't a letter be written urging the centre to revoke his diplomatic passport, or can't the family members, whatever information they've had about his plans of travel, can't this be shared with the investigative agencies instead of, writing this letter? The Congress, on the other hand, led by the Chief Minister himself, has said that this letter is nothing but for public consumption, and it was Mr. Devagowda himself who allowed Prajwal to leave the country. Is a statement that has come in from Mr. Siddaramaiah just yesterday.
Now, Deepak, quick follow-up question. What is the state of this diplomatic passport revocation? What is the latest that we have heard?
Well, sources in the MEA have said that they have received an official communication from the SIT and they're processing it. Apart from that, no, official comment has come in from, the Ministry of External Affairs, which we are waiting for. The Congress continues to mount pressure, saying that the BJP is just holding back because, they're their allies, and that's the reason they're not acting upon this request. 2 letters have been written by the Chief Minister, the latest being, just day before yesterday.
Absolutely. Deepak there sharing a 360-degree view of this story. We are still anticipating Prajwal Revanna sometime returning.